Let's go now to a global view where we can compare our three supermarkets. We'll select fiscal meters and do an hourly comparison. We can see that the activity level by hour is similar in the three stores, but that there are notable differences among consumption levels. It appears that the Chicago store consumes the least, followed by San Francisco and then New York, which has the highest level of consumption. We can go into more detail by viewing the daily evolution over the course of a year and can see that the variations we have identified are visible throughout the year. This might be the result of variations in surface area, weather variables, consumer volume, or other factors. Because there are so many things that might affect inconsistencies, we need a fast and intuitive tool that allows us to easily view energy use in the context of a range of variables so we can pinpoint exact causes. This is where ratios are especially useful. For example, when we factor in the surface area of the stores, we see that the Chicago supermarket, which originally ranked first for energy efficiency, falls to second place, and the San Francisco store comes in first. We can filter our original results by entering a wide range of ratios like degree days, average temperatures, tickets, occupancy levels, average sales, or anything else that might be useful to understanding exactly what is affecting consumption. Let's repeat the analysis, but this time focusing on the lighting systems in particular. First, we'll select 3 lighting meters and compare their yearly consumption. When we control our results for surface area, we see that from the beginning of the year up until August, the New York store averaged a consumption of 0.6 kilowatt-hour per square feet, which is higher than that of Chicago at 0.37 kilowatt-hour per square feet, and much higher than the San Francisco store's consumption at only 0.2 kilowatt-hour per square feet. So we know right away that we have a problem of excess lighting in the New York and Chicago locations. We can look more closely to see that lighting levels are in fact double what they should be. Values of more than 2,000 lux are showing up when the established baseline for a retail space is closer to 750 lux. Looking more closely, we can see that shutting off 1 out of every 2 fluorescent lights on July 7th in the New York store and on August 8th in Chicago effectively reduced the kilowatt per hour square feet ratio and brought down the lighting consumption of the 3 stores to similar levels. The Dexcel Energy Manager Comments feature allows us to easily log these changes and their energy-saving results so we can better track and manage projects. We just click Add Comment, select the date on which the improvement was implemented, and add a title and description to identify the improvement. We then select the kind of comment, the location where the improvement was implemented. Here we indicate New York, and we publish our comment. Once published, our comment is visible in the graphic in the form of an icon. When we mouse over the icon, the title of the improvement appears.